Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto shrimp and grits. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jennifer Bands and I help home cooks make keto meals the whole family will love. Today we're making shrimp and grits, and the grits are made out of cauliflower and they've got cheese and bacon and heavy cream, and they're so delicious. I've already got some steamed cauliflower here that I bought a head of cauliflower. I know in the recipe it says to use frozen cauliflower. Either one will work. Just make sure that it is steamed before you start to make your cauliflower rice or grits. So I'm going to put all of this into my food processor here, and I've let this cool a little bit, otherwise it's just going to be too hot in the food processor and it might blow up. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in there, or pulse it a little bit just for some room, and then we can add the rest. Add the rest here. We want to pulse this until it is a grits consistency. So what is that? It's kind of like a sandy texture, maybe a little bit bigger, coarser than sand. I don't know, have you had grits before? That's what you're looking for. I'm also gonna add in some salt. Go ahead and start seasoning this up. Okay, that looks perfect. It's not too mushy. It's not like potatoes, but it's not like rice. It's kind of in between. Okay, we set our processed grits, cauliflower grits aside. I'm going to cut up some bacon. I'm going to cut it into thin slices like that. That's called lardons, if you didn't know. It's a French term, just strips. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cook our bacon in this pan here. And we're going to use this same pan to cook the bacon, and then we're going to cook the shrimp, and then we'll cook the grits. And so it's all one pan and not a lot of dishes. Okay, our bacon is done, so I'm going to pull it out of this pan. And there's quite a bit of grease in here, so I'm going to get rid of some of it. Okay, now I'm going to add in the shrimp and some minced garlic. These are smaller shrimp. They're going to cook pretty fast. Okay, we've got our bacon cooked. We've got our shrimp cooked, and now we're going to cook our grits. I'm going to put all of the cauliflower grits into this same pan. I'm also going to add in butter and heavy cream. I'm going to let the butter melt, and I'm going to let these get creamy. These will not take very long to cook at all because the cauliflower is already cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add in our cheddar cheese. And when the cheese melts, these will be ready. I'm going to season with some more salt and pepper. These are almost ready. What am I doing? Okay, we've got all of our components ready. Here are our delicious looking grits, delicious looking and tasty. I'm going to top with some of the shrimp, a few more, some bacon, crispy bacon, and some parsley. And look at that, that looks amazing. Guys, make sure you make this recipe. Let me know how much you love it. Check out these other recipes that I have linked, and I will see you guys later. Bye.